I'm always keen to learn about DNA, mainly how not to leave it at my crime scenes. So I went to Leicester University to ask Professor of Genetics Turi King how they used DNA to identify Richard's body. This looks like a crime scene investigation, but just 500 years late.
So Richard's got 11 injuries on him. He's got that one on the very top of his head. And if you look at the CT scans, there's little flaps of bone on the inside, but it's not gone all the way through. Done with something like a rondel dagger. That would have made him feel really woozy, but that wouldn't have killed him. The ones that have killed him are these. So that's the base of his skull. That's where your spinal column goes up. He's got 7 centimeters of brain exposed.
It's horrific,
It's
isn't
horrific.
it?
It's medieval warfare.
I mean, I know it's really brutal medieval warfare, but at the same time, he's an anointed king of England. This is pretty unusual, isn't it, that someone would be executed on the battlefield?
The interesting thing is his face. So quite often what would happen in battles is they would destroy the face so people aren't recognized. They didn't do this with Richard.
Because they need to show him and say, this is the king.
Exactly.
Who killed him.
I found it really fascinating because obviously with the genetic analysis, I get them now, I get several a week, even now, it's 10 years later, people saying, I think I'm related to Richard III, can you test my DNA and prove that? And I have to say to them, look, it's been estimated that there are between 1 and 17 million people alive today who are descended from his immediate family. We're all related to each other, and we're all related to royalty.
I just think as a message, it's just brilliant, that idea of we're all related to each other and we're all related to royalty.
Yeah.
That should be the new sort of live, laugh,
Exactly.
love on every French.
There you go.